Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring how to approve message requests on the Messenger app for PC. This new update makes it easier than ever to connect with people who want to reach out to you. Let's jump right into the steps. First, start by opening the Messenger app on your computer. Once it's up and running, look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu icon right under your profile photo. Click on that icon to access more options. Next, find and click on Requests. This section is where all your message requests are stored. You'll see a list of people who have reached out to you. Take your time to browse through them. Now, choose the specific message request you want to approve. Click to open that message, and you'll be able to see what the person has sent you. After opening the message, it's time to respond. Send any message back to them, even a simple "hello" or "thanks for reaching out." This will initiate a conversation and allow them to reply to you. And that's it. You've successfully approved a message request on Messenger. Now you can start chatting with new contacts and keep your conversations going. Enjoy making new connections.